who are you?
Para hablar un poco de Juego de Tronos, tenemos aquí a un actor que además es mucho más. Es un actor que ha representado una parte de ese mundo maravilloso del cine fantástico y del cine en general.
Stop it. Am I the only one to see through this performance? Is it possible that so many could be so stupid for so long?
No, we all hoped it would be a success, obviously, and it did feel as if we were involved in something that was going to be successful. But none of us thought it would be as phenomenally successful as it is. I mean, it's fantastic to be part of something like this and to receive the kind of reception that I've had walking in this room. You know, it makes me feel like a rock and roll star. I'm just an actor, you know.
Shall I explain to you in one easy lesson how the world works?
Use small words. I'm not as bright as you.
The house that puts family first will always defeat the house that puts the whims and wishes of its sons and daughters first.
As you say, we have young, relatively inexperienced actors, and then there are kind of old, wrinkly actors like me. And but right across the board, I think we have the most fantastic cast. And as I said before, we're blessed with really, really good writing. And I've had nothing but really, really good experiences working on this. I don't think there are any shortcomings at all. And the bonus on top of all that is that the catering is fantastic.
Go! I'm sure your wife must miss you.
My wife's in Lannisport.
Well, then you better start riding. Go before I change my mind and send her your head.
Can I just say that Tywin Lannister is not as bad as you think he is. He's worse.